Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. And before I start the video, I just want everybody to know everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. So let's get started with the video. AMC Entertainment, let's talk about it. What's been going on with the stock? So if you guys haven't been keeping up with the news recently, AMC Entertainment definitely has seen a lot of heat. It's definitely been getting a lot of publicity. If we take a look at the 1 month chart altogether, thing was trading around $2, $3, and then we see this massive spike up on January 27th when the stock market was kind of going crazy. GameStop and a bunch of other stocks were basically rallying to the point where a lot of people didn't really understand why. And it was basically a Reddit fueled rally where a lot of these Reddit people wanted to basically make these stocks all go through a short squeeze. A short squeeze is basically a company or a stock that has a lot of borrowed shares, which people hope to return at a cheaper price. People usually do this if they have a bearish standpoint on a stock. It's a very good way to make money. It's a very good trading strategy, but it's also a very risky strategy because if you push the stock high enough, it causes all of these shorts to have to cover their positions, and some people short millions and millions of shares. And that's kind of basically what happened with AMC Entertainment. We saw a small run up, then a lot of the brokerages actually limited the trading on AMC Entertainment and GameStop and a bunch of these other stocks, which till this day is still debatable if that was even legal. A lot of people don't really agree with why they did that. I don't think it was legal from my personal opinion, just because the volatility was there and stuff like that. But that's kind of what makes the market fun, is volatility, stocks going up and down. You know, it's definitely a sight to see, but a lot of people have definitely been kind of holding AMC Entertainment ever since it kind of hit its all-time high. And a lot of people have been wondering, is AMC Entertainment going to go through another short squeeze? What's been going on with the stock? So we have got some recent news recently. So if we dive in a little bit deeper and we take a look at it, so a big piece of news was AMC Entertainment actually rolled out bankruptcy, which is a very good sign. Basically, the company came out and said, okay, we're no longer going bankrupt for now. So they rolled out bankruptcy, which is a very good sign. A lot of people do think that AMC Entertainment is going to go bankrupt. A lot of people don't think that the classical movie theater in general is still a very good idea, with streaming getting a lot more popular, but you can never beat a classical go to the movie theater. It's probably one of the funnest things you can do with your friends, significant other, and stuff like that. So that also did cause the stock to kind of rally upwards. And then we also have a company known as Wanda Group. I believe they're based out of China, and they're also in the entertainment business as well. And they basically converted their shares, so the fact that those shares can actually be sold. A lot of people speculate that Wanda Group is exiting their position from AMC Entertainment, or they believe a short squeeze is going to happen and they kind of want in on the short squeeze as well. Currently speaking, AMC Entertainment, as of February 3rd, 2021, their short flow percentage is 78%, which is pretty high, okay? It's not as high as GameStop's. I believe GameStop's is somewhere around 110, 120%, but AMC Entertainment has a 78% short float, so a lot of people do think that AMC Entertainment still has a potential chance at another massive short squeeze. Me personally, I don't think if the brokerages actually limited the stock trading, I do actually think that AMC Entertainment would have gone a lot higher if, like I said, the brokerages did not limit all the trading, which made a lot of people panic sell the stocks altogether. And then from there, the volume kind of diminished overall. So it leads a lot of people to ask the question, where is AMC Entertainment stock headed? Is it going to go through another massive short squeeze? Does it have the potential chance to? So if we dive in a little bit deeper, AMC Entertainment, obviously, it's a movie theater, so with COVID and the pandemic, the company actually has not been doing well at all, which is not new. It's not anything new. It's not like the shocking news that people were not expecting. Yes, it's not going to do well because you cannot be in crowded spots as far as the pandemic is going on, which has led to sudden decrease in business with AMC Entertainment overall. But a lot of people are still bullish on the optimistic that AMC Entertainment can make a recovery once the pandemic is actually over. I agree. I do think AMC Entertainment will definitely see a boost in sales and profits once the pandemic is actually over and people can actually go to the movies once again. But looking at the short flow percentage and really seeing and diving in about AMC Entertainment overall, yes, the stock does have another potential chance at another massive short squeeze. And yes, the stock will probably go back to $20, $30 if pushed high enough to where the shorts actually have to cover their position. A lot of people say the short squeeze actually hasn't happened yet, but it makes a lot more people interested who are holding a lot of shares that this could definitely pay off big if they could actually get AMC Entertainment to squeeze altogether. I do think AMC Entertainment could have gone through a short squeeze if brokerages didn't limit trading and a lot of investors got scared and started selling their massive positions in AMC Entertainment, GameStop, and a bunch of these other stocks. So I tell people, if you're truly bullish on AMC Entertainment, you're holding a lot of shares, you think the stock can actually make a recovery, your best thing to do is probably hold or average down. As stated earlier in the video, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But if you take a look at the statistics and the facts altogether, AMC Entertainment does have another chance at another short squeeze and does have the potential chance of going back to $20. That's how a short squeeze happens. The stock has to be pushed high enough to the point where a lot of these shorts have to start covering their positions, and then the stock will continue to increase from there. Now, a lot of people do speculate that there is going to be another short squeeze happening pretty soon. Although no one can really predict when it's going to happen, a lot of people don't really know when it's going to happen. But like I said, once the investors got scared, the volume never really kind of surfaced back to AMC Entertainment. A lot of people are holding shares with the potential chance that the stock can run up once again. It is always a possibility. You cannot rule it out. I remember when I first started my trading journey, a lot of people would talk about AMC Entertainment and GameStop, and they would say that they're going to go through a massive short squeeze. At the time, not really understanding what it meant altogether, but people have been talking about that for years. With AMC Entertainment, I'm not saying it's going to take years, but I'm saying it could actually happen at any moment. The stock just has to be under the right circumstance, and it definitely has to be under the right volatility with the right volume, and that could definitely push the stock upward high enough to actually go through another short squeeze again. I know it's what a lot of people are waiting for. People are probably getting impatient. Stock kind of been trading sideways. If we dive in on the 1 week chart, still down 50%, but kind of a sideways chart. A lot of people are kind of giving up hope, not really knowing what to do with their positions. Yes, I understand if you just kind of hopped in from FOMO, it can be a little bit nerve-wracking, but let this definitely be a lesson. Take a lesson from it. Learn how trading actually works. You have to, if you just going to jump into a stock without really researching what the company actually does or kind of looking at the balance sheet altogether, that is one of the most important trading aspects in the whole stock market itself, is really understanding that sometimes you have to take a loss and you definitely have to learn from it. That is one of the most important things. But if you're bullish on AMC Entertainment and you think the sky is going to the absolute moon or the stock in itself is going to rally forever, then it's probably a smart idea just to average down or hold your position if you feel like there's going to be another short squeeze happening. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment stock. Do you guys think AMC Entertainment stock is going to go through another short squeeze? If you guys are holding AMC Entertainment, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.